Ooh, bango. Smells good. Lumpia Shanghai. Let's try one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi guys.
What time is it?
It's cooking time.
And what are we going to cook?
Lumpia Shanghai. Let's go to the market, guys. Now we're adding the pepper. Let's go. Adding some oyster sauce for taste. Adding salt to taste.
Get yourself a glove. The gloves. It's the gloves. Hi guys.
Hey guys, so Minnie's going to teach me how to fold lumpia.
Yeah. How to wrap.
How to wrap the lumpia, that's it. So if I do it wrong, it's not my fault, it's hers.
Like a tablespoon of it.
Scoop a tablespoon, gotcha.
Scoop a tablespoon of the mixture.
Uh-huh.
And then create a straight line.
Alright.
Evenly.
Evenly.
Yeah.
Even when it's not even, spread it even. Right?
And then roll over. No, that's too hard. Here now.
Okay. Just like so.
Yeah, and then roll over the first.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Tightly, right?
Yeah, tightly. Can you make it like this thin? Yeah. Like that, and then fold the sides.
Folding the sides.
And roll it again.
It's a stubborn one.
Kasi, basta may pangit na balag din si mama.
Hindi mo siya nasubulo.
So fun fact, Dad used to actually work in a restaurant as a chef, so he knows what he's doing.
Chef ba si Papa ko? Sabi?
And at the restaurant, that's where Dad met his wife, Ami, and she used to be the cashier at the restaurant.
Nasundo ko yan.
Adding oil to the pan.
The oil is hot, so let's put the lumpia.
Ooh, bango! Smells good. Lumpia Shanghai. Let's try one. Cheers.
There's
20 out of 10. Really good.
It's crispy. I will rate this 9 over 10.
Just
Yeah.
9?
Yes, because I don't like carrots.
Ah, okay.
Yummy.
I'll take it. 9 out of 10 is good.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So it's after dinner, way past dinner. It's 11 p.m. But these lumpias are really super good. So we're having a midnight snack kind of idea. And then right after this, we're going to sleep. So we're gonna finish this one. So good though. Bye guys, we're going to bed.